Right, this is Novotenity Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Thank you for the support. Keep on subscribing. Just click the subscribe button on the bottom and make sure that you view the videos. Orlando Pirates won, Sekhukhune not. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Angifila kabi ngoba kudala silindile le goal.
Fila kabi?
Yeah, angifila kabi ngoba kudala silindile le goal leli. Sengathi sidlala ngoRatoma no. Ngoba le ngoba no sengathi sidlala ngayo nomashonisa. Ngocoach lento ayenzile ayikho grand kunini umashonisa abuyile ku-injury and umfaka ebenchini and uyambuka ukuthi is a very good player. Yeah, makangenile noRatoma kune change.
So don't you think ukuthi kumele umbonge coach because of ufake lo Ratoma wafaka umashonisa and then Nakora?
Ngiyambonga ne mara into mela iyenze la ku first lineup njengoba siyo sodlala idabi ne Chiefs makaqale ngayo mashonisa no Ratoma ke sibona ukuthi into lekhaya ngoba uMahopa ayikho into asikayo. Yeah, sengathi ungene ngomndeni wakhe ebholweni bambhadale ayikho into engayisho ngayo.
So but then ungam encourage ngokuthini so that next game akwazi ukuthi adlale grand because as a supporter ye Pirates kumele umsupport naye. So what is your message to him ekumele ayishintshe so that akwazi ukuthi niqale phansi nemthando?
Yeah, mina ngithi aphula pha ama socks abheka ama game kalipasi ukuthi udlala kanjani ngoba uyakwazi uklook up ku teammate yakho ukuthi ubheke nama mistake wakho ungabi greedy mose boxing ungabi hungry for I goal. Bheka qala phasa vie mabathi strike high always shoot uyakwazi ukudlala grand for the team.
So mobhekile une game enkulu Saturday mobhekile nizodlala kanjani? So what
hayi vele iChiefs yona nayiyazi iyazi ukuthi soyidla noma sekabuyile uKikentoli injury makasithukanga nabo bayazi uChiefs laba abangimamele ngithe weChiefs relaxani umashonisa uyeza nje manje sendleleni uzokoleka
mobhekile uzowina ngoba score
anyawubala u2-1
ayozoba mnandi
asoba mnandi
abantu abaningi bathi 2-1 everyone is 2-1. No, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Just click the button below. It's free to subscribe and make sure that you view the videos. Thank you.